asuntosakeyhtiö Hämeenkatu 36 Tampere staircase.
Four persons for 220 kilograms, age 874. Built in 1928, when I was in 1993, same year when I was born. Oh yeah, I thought this would be. Yeah, it was very nice. B1 SX 8151, 4 persons for 325 kilograms. There's just 320 kilograms. Yeah, 6 minutes. Let's sit down and enjoy the ride. What do you think of this?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, it is. I think obviously on Series 1 the light goes out before it arrives.
Yeah.
I think since this was modernized the same year I was born, I think I would like to take a second ride.
Yeah.
Because I think Audi Series 1 and this beautiful elevator is a beautiful combination.
Yeah.
And it doesn't take a while before it starts.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2021. Last year, 2008, and this turned 25 years, the modernization. Well, the elevator turned 90 years old.
Yeah. Inspected vaikka vain inspected. It last say to maintainer.
Yeah. But maybe it's maintained by Otis.
Yeah.
Also, I'd maybe like to take pictures of this.
Yeah.
Because it was modernized in 1993. But also Kone from 93 would have been nice here too.
Yeah.
Like the other one that was modernized in 1995.
That's it.
That's it.